Adjusting to room setups, presentation mastery. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into the world of effective presentation skills with a specific focus on adjusting to different room setups. Whether you're presenting in a small meeting room, a vast auditorium, or a virtual setting, adapting to the environment is crucial. Let's explore how you can master this. Every room has its unique challenges. Here's a brief overview. Boardrooms. These are intimate settings where every facial expression and gesture is visible. It's all about detail here. Auditoriums. Large spaces where your voice and visual aids need to reach the last row. It's a game of scale and clarity. Virtual rooms. Digital settings where technical readiness and engagement strategies matter. 1. Eye contact. Engage with everyone around the table. Make them feel involved. 2. Gestures. Subtle gestures work best. You're up close, so you don't need to exaggerate. 3. Materials. Ensure handouts, if any, are of high quality and legible. 1. Voice projection. Ensure you're loud and clear. Consider using a microphone if provided. 2. Visual aids. Use large fonts and simple visuals. Remember, clarity is key. 3. Engage the back. Occasionally, direct your attention to the attendees at the back. This keeps the whole audience engaged. 1. Technical check. Always test your equipment before starting. 2. Engagement tools. Utilize chat, polls, and reactions to keep your audience engaged. 3. Camera positioning. Place the camera at eye level to create a direct connection with your audience. Adapting to your presentation environment isn't just about comfort. It's about ensuring your message is delivered effectively. No matter where you present, always focus on your audience's needs. We hope this guide will help you navigate different room setups with confidence. Happy presenting!